What's up mga pards? Another day, another vlog. This is Biyayong Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga pards, it's another wellness vlog. Kasi ngayon mga pards ay pupunta tayo ng Anytime Fitness South Mall, ang aking bagong home gym. Kung matatandaan nyo mga pards, ayan, marami akong vlog featuring Anytime Fitness dito sa Pilipinas and even sa ibang bansa. But for today's video mga pards, samahan nyo ako mag-workout. Kasama din ang bago kong fitness coach na si Coach Eric, the coach of the superstars and the coach of the celebrities, kasi bago din siya dito sa Anytime Fitness South Mall. So for today, samahan nyo kami mag-workout, and syempre mga parts, itutur ko na rin kayo dito sa Anytime Fitness South Mall just in case you're looking for a fitness gym or fitness center, or kaya ay gustong makita ano ba itsura ng Anytime Fitness South Mall para makapag-enroll ka na din and makapag-register ka na din. So let's go mga parts, punta tayo sa Anytime Fitness South Mall. Let's go! So yun na nga mga parts, backstory lang. Kung matagal ko na kayong followers or subscribers mga parts, yan, medyo fit tayo before. Ngayon kasi mga parts, nag-gain tayo ng weight. Aside from the, yun nga, meron tayong back injury. Pero hindi ako maka-workout ng maayos. And then, nagpalit din ako ng role na nalipat ako sa field. So ang hirap mag-diet, unlike nung nasa office ako or office-based ako, mas madali for me to control what I am eating. Pero yun, nung nag-field tayo, nag-gain talaga tayo ng weight. Aside from the fact na yun nga, hindi maayos yung mga workout ko because of my back injury. So kailangan ko talaga ng isang magaling at saka well-trained and knowledgeable fitness coach, kasi nga kailangan lagi na consider yung aking back injury. So for today's video ngayon nga, ipapakilala ko sa inyo si Coach Eric, and itutur ko kayo dito sa Anytime Fitness South Mall na very very near lang dito sa aking pinag-stayan or sa aking tinitirahan dito sa Alabang. So let's go! So mga parts, dito lang ako nagpa-park sa South Tower kasi covered parking. Ito na yung SM South Mall mga parts. Yan. So para hindi kayo maligaw, meron dito Medical City. Bago yung Anytime Fitness. So tayo ay mag-workout. It's 10 AM. Usually yung training namin ni Coach is 10 AM. So, sakta lang ako, pero baka sabihin niya ay late ako. Ayan, this is Anytime Fitness. Yan, so mga parts, mag-cardio muna tayo kasi tinuturuan pa si Coach. Pero ito yung cardio section. Cardio section. Cardio department. I mean, yung treadmill bike. At saka yan, yung rotate. And ito na yung stepper machine. Yun yung entrance. So mag-bike muna tayo mga parts for 10 minutes or so habang hanggang matapos si Coach. So mga parts, ito na. Yung magawang coach, parts si Coach Eric, Coach of the Stars. Hi Coach. So for today mga parts,
we will do chest tricep for today.
Nakita naman si Coach.
Get ready for a hard workout.
Yan, so may nag-yoga dito. And ito yung kanilang training section. So mga parts, konti pa lang yung workout namin ni Coach.
Nakapop na kami yung chest na ito.
Chest workout
Yung,
today.
yung upper chest, saka middle chest, saka flies. Ngayon,
Ano next,
doon ko
Coach?
siya dadalhin sa chest press. Super set din to. Single, tapos single, sabay-sabay. Para pop ko agad.
Pump ka agad mga parts. Chest day.
Chest day.
Yeah. So mga parts, after ng chest, ay, Coach, ano after ng chest?
Chest triceps.
Triceps.
Giant set tayo ng triceps. Para
Grabe
mag-iwa yung
naman
biceps.
triceps ni Coach. Yan.
Horseshoe, para magkaroon ng horseshoe.
So yun yung goal natin mga parts. Pero for now, ay, mukhang malayo pa tayo sa katotohanan. So let's do triceps after our chest workout. Mga parts, tapos na yung triceps workout namin ni Coach.
Tricep.
Yeah.
Dito, labas mo dito. Labas yan.
Ayun, sa laki ng triceps.
Ano?
Coach, para mas malapit na. So tapos na yung aming triceps workout. Gano'n lang kabilis. So, core naman tsaka stretching tayo. Let's go! So dito din yung mga machines nila. Mga parts ay ng cardio machines. And ito yung kanilang group exercise. And dito yung mga weights. Yung mga lockers dito mga parts.
Dito rin. This is my next client, Sir Bong.
Ito yung shower nila eh. Yan. So, pag gusto nyo maligo, after workout, shower. And of course, they have the toilet.
Hi, Sir Bong.
So, syempre, Coach, paano pag yung mga gustong mag-patrain tsaka mag-member ng
Yes,
Anytime?
just come here at Anytime Fitness South Mall. I'm Coach Eric again. I'm here from 5 a.m. until 7 p.m. Monday to Sunday. It depends to your schedule. Okay, just text Sir Bong Biahero at Biaherong Bong. That's all. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yan. So, yung mga gusto mga parts ng fitness journey nila, let's go here sa Anytime Fitness South Mall! So, there you have it po, parts. Tapos na naman ang ating isang quick wellness vlog featuring itong Anytime Fitness South Mall, ang aking bagong home gym, and of course, yung aking bagong fitness coach na si Coach Eric. So, shout out to Coach Eric. Thank you for helping me. And tingnan natin ang ating fitness journey with Coach Eric. Sabi ko nga, ayan ang ating road to century tuna. Ay, century bangos. Baka century bangos lang. But anyway, I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea mga parts if ever you're looking for a fitness gym or curious kayo about Anytime Fitness South Mall or Anytime Fitness in general. They offer 24 hours. Open sila and anytime, anywhere. So ako, na-experience ko, kaya gusto ko yung Anytime Fitness because yun nga, flexibility-wise, pagdating sa time, hindi siya limited to the operating hours. Open siya 24 hours. So kahit sobrang early ako or sobrang late ako makapag-workout, pwede. Also, they have, nakita nyo naman yung kanilang shower room and toilet. Also, okay din yung mga machine nila, well-maintained, maayos, air-conditioned, and of course, meron sila mga fitness trainer na license and very knowledgeable. And then, depende yung monthly rates nila mga parts, depende kung saan kayo mag-member or magre-register, but I think it ranges from 2,500 above. Depende kung anong, minsan may mga promo sila, but yun nga mga parts, anywhere din sila. So na-try ko na din gamitin siya sa ibang bansa, at saka pag nagta-travel ako anywhere in the Philippines, Visayas or Mindanao, basta merong Anytime Fitness, as long as dala mo yung key fob, you're good to go. And siguro yun lang ang pinaka disadvantage or pinaka kulang lang sa Anytime Fitness, wala silang sauna. So shower they have, toilet they have, sauna wala sila or steam. So yun, but ako I'm satisfied, I'm happy with Anytime Fitness, and I will continue my journey. So mga parts, abangan nyo ang aking fitness journey. As mentioned, medyo nag-gain talaga tayo ng weight, and huminto yung ating pagiging fitness freak because of several factors. And yeah, if you like this video mga pards, please hit the like button, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have questions about Anytime Fitness or anything about fitness, I will try to respond as much as I can. Hit the bell icon para like updated whenever I upload new videos, and you may also follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, also at PRBong. So yun mga pards, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube video. Stay safe and healthy! Bye!